Today we will do a flameless cooking class. We'll start with a banana shake. At first, the ingredients which we need for banana shake are banana, honey, chocolate syrup, 200 ml of Amul Taja milk, almond, crushed pistachio, it's optional, you may use or not, black pepper, sorry, it's coriander. Now let's begin. At first, we'll crush all the bananas. We'll use a roller to crush a banana. It's already crushed now. Now we'll pour a honey, half teaspoon of honey in it. Just a half teaspoon, because already banana is a sweet. Now we'll add a milk. Now gives a nice stir to it. We are not using a sugar in it, as sugar is not healthy for us. Honey is good for health, so we are using honey instead of sugar. It's going to be almost ready. Now for garnishing, we'll use a chocolate syrup. Pistachio, almond, cardamom, and it's all done with your banana shake. I hope you all liked it. Now next, we are going to make a bread sandwich. Ingredients which we require for our sandwich are bread. Here I am using a 2 slices of bread. In vegetables are tomato, cucumber, onion, butter, ketchup, salt. We are white salt, black pepper salt, chaat masala, and a black salt. That's all we need for our bread sandwich. Now we'll start with it. At first, we'll apply a butter on the sandwich. Apply properly. On both the sandwich, on both the breads, we'll apply butter. By using a butter knife, we'll apply butter on the whole sandwich bread. Our next step is we'll apply a ketchup. Apply properly. If you're having a coriander chutney, then you can apply after that, after ketchup, you can apply coriander chutney also. Now we'll put all the vegetables. At first, I'll apply a tomato, then a cucumber, onion. Now we'll grate it. Cheese grate we'll apply on it. Grated cheese. Everyone is fond of cheese, is it no? Each and every child loves cheese, even me. All the salt. At first, white salt, then a black salt, just a little bit according to your taste. Black pepper salt, and at last with chaat masala, which gives a lovely taste to the sandwich. And finally, we have done complete. Now we'll make, if you want to make happy, no, we'll make some smiley faces on it to decorate it. Here we have done. You all liked the banana shake and a bread sandwich.